right, today we're going to be doing two parts. We're going to be doing parentheses and we're going to be doing identity property. These are two really simple things today. And most of you guys already know how to use parentheses. So when we see parentheses signs, that's these signs, we have to do what's inside first. That's pretty simple. So in our example, it talks about Ray's mother buys 8 tickets, and 8 tickets for Ray and 6 tickets for his sister. Each ticket cost 20 cents. How much did his mother spend on the tickets? So they set it up as 20 cents times 8 plus 6. Now they want you to do 8 plus 6 first, which gives you 14. So we're going to do 14 times 20, which gives us 280 cents or $2.80. So they just, for 1 through 10, they just want to know what operation you do first. So on this one, because it's in the parentheses, I do it first, so I do multiplication. This one, in parentheses first, I do addition. In parentheses first, I do multiplication. So I think that you guys are totally going to be able to do this. On number 11 and 12, they want you to use parentheses to show a solution. So Johnny bought 1 pair of tennis shoes for $60 and 3 pairs of socks for $5 a pair. How much did she spend? So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go, because I don't need to use multiplication for this, I'm going to go 60 plus, and now I have 3 times 5. So I'm going to put that in parentheses, 3 times 5. And so I have 15 plus my 60. So now I have 75. And don't forget to label it because it is a story problem. So you only have to do the 6 even problems on this page. Now, properties for 0 and 1. You guys already know how to use this. This is just helping you understand math just a little bit better. So 0 is the identity element. And so when you see our homework, it talks about identity for addition. And 1 is identity element for multiplication. So we're really doing the same thing. We're just really focusing, and again, I'm going to highlight this for you so you can see it. We're really just focusing on the identity. And 1 is for multiplication, and you guys know this through and through. Any number times 1 is 1, and any number plus 0 is 0. This also works for subtraction. So identity works for addition and subtraction. So these are things that you already know. Any number times 1 is that number, and any number plus 0 is that number. So let's go look, and again, you're only doing even, so don't let all these numbers mess with you. So it's really simple. I see the 0, and I'm adding, so it's 10. If I multiply, and now we introduce a letter. Ooh, don't get scared by letters. This is just all on its own. So 0 plus a is just a. And if we multiply by any number, guys, remember it's 0. So think about that for numbers 4 and 6. 7 says 54 divided by 0. Well, guess what? It's 0. If I have 54 kids and 0 jelly beans, how many jelly beans are they getting? They're getting 0. All right. I'll show you something on 7, 8, and 9. They're talking about division, and they give us 3 different division problems. And they're all the same problem, essentially. So it says 54 divided by 0. This is 0 divided by 126. And this is 0 divided by 8. All of these answers are just like E right here. We could have our division problem. This is something that they're kind of introducing to you. So I wanted you to be aware that they're introducing to you the three styles that we do for division. So this is the same style. So this would be 0 divided by A. I'm still getting 0. If I have some number of students and I still have 0 jelly beans, they're still getting 0 jelly beans. All right. Number 11, we get into the identity for multiplication, which is anything times that number is that number. So that'd be 237. So when you look at number 12, A is just a number, so keep it. And 44 minus 44, oh, that's easy. Oh, now 17 looks really hard. I want you guys to look at 17. It could be a scary number because that's a large number. But guess what? It's divided by itself. So it is 1. When you multiply any number by 0, the product, that means the answer is 0. The difference of any number in itself, and that goes back to 13 through 15, is 0. So go ahead and try these out. Don't get too scared by what's happening in it.